I made this in order to hold my bucket, and this can be adjusted to just about anywhere, any kind of pitch. So I just put a couple screws in here like this, and then I made sure that these parts right here were level, somewhat level, and then I put these on here to keep the bucket from going either that way or this way. So this works pretty good. And it's made just right for the bucket. Okay, here's a picture that shows how this harness goes on. This area here goes across your chest, and these black portions go down by your legs and your lower part of your body. And then there's a hook or a ring at the top, right in the middle, and that goes up near your shoulders. Okay, here's a diagram from Jack's Small Engines, and probably the whole starter is right here at the top. And if you take your arrow and click on it, it says starter motor. So item 309 is the starter motor. If you want the whole thing, it would include all of this. And then what I'm going to order is right here, 510. You click on it, and here it gives you the part numbers. Now you can get the universal kit down here, or you can get the Briggs & Stratton number right there. I want this number, 696541. Now that's for my mower. And which mower is it? Well, let's go check that out. Click on that. This is my mower right here. Now I found this number on the valve cover. It's on the valve cover. The valve cover is on the front of the engine. And it has several lines. It has this number at the top and this number on the second line. There is also another number that you do not need. Also, if you want to find out where the diagram is, you go to this page, you put in these numbers right here, up here in the search, go to Jack Small Engines, go to Jack Small Engines, you put your numbers right up here in the search, and you're going to put these numbers right here, right there. And then if you want to see specific diagrams, you're going to go down here, move your arrow down here, and this is the one I wanted. Right here. Right here. The starter, electric starter, flywheel controls. So if you want that picture, just click on it. Okay, here's my search that I did. It shows you all these pictures. You can even get the complete starter. You'll have to figure out whether you want to pay all that, but that's up to you. You can go to eBay, whatever you want to do. But down here, well, let's look up here at this. Right there is what I put into the search engine. I put this number, you got to have this number here, that's the number for the Briggs & Stratton part. And then I just put Briggs & Stratton starter drive Amazon. Okay, down here is the thing that I clicked on because it has the correct number. This one up here does not have the correct number. So that's the correct number. I clicked on that, and then I got to this page up here. Go over here, show this. Okay, I got to this page right here. And here's where I would order from. Now I'm not going to order from this right now because I want to look at some other things first, but that's how much it is. And this is an official Briggs & Stratton part. There's the correct part number and all that stuff. That's what you order.